Good morning. Happy Saturday to everybody. I am out here going to start my wheel rim restoration project. I just received 4 of the 16-inch vintage rims back from a great company down in Frederick who media blasted things to get all the rust and the old paint off, and they look really awesome. I stuck a picture up on my Instagram. I'll also stick that in this video so you guys can see the before and after. But it really looks sweet, and I'm very impressed by what they did. And it was a 24-hour turnaround time, so I'll stick a link in there for their company too, because they are super awesome. I believe it's Primo Eco Blasting, if I'm not mistaken. So they were great, super responsive to messages, and very prompt service and excellent work. You can see in the time-lapse video, I was unwrapping all the rims. They had them all cellophaned up in about, geez, it was like, I don't know, 5 different layers there, it looks like. So that was really awesome. So highly recommend if you're in the general Maryland, Central Maryland, Western Maryland area. So I'll show you what we have here, and we'll roll from there. Here's a good example of my crack issue. Oh yeah. Try to get around here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a problem. So, there it is. Town and country, baby. Yes, sir. Good old Firestone. And I will show you the spare as well. It's quite comical. It would definitely not work at all, just for looks. Let's see, this bad boy, I think this is another Town and Country. I'm not sure. Let's see, power cushion. Oh yeah, you know it. And it is a Goodyear. There it is. Okay. Nice. Nice and squishy. Awesome. Well, that'll be replaced too. Good deal. We'll check in with Hula Girl. She's hanging out down there, waiting to rock and roll again and drive them Jeeps. Alright, here's the light coating number 1 here. Just getting things rolling. I'm going to throw a second on the back sides here, and then the tire sides again, and then flip them over once they're dry and hit the face, outer face 3 times. So we'll keep rolling, let it dry here, and off to round 2. Oh yeah. Alright, it is time for round 2. Here we go. Alright, coat number 2. Looking pretty good. There's a lot of surface area to hit here, and these old rims are kind of pitted in spots, so soaking up a can around here. I might have to hit the old Walmarts again and get another one. So we'll see how far we get with the last can for the outer surface there. Want to get that one 3 coats if I can. So we'll see how far we get. Let this guy dry for a while. All right, check in later. Also in between coats of the wheels drying, I was touching up some of the thermostat cover here and all. It was looking pretty rough, and also hitting the fan shroud and all that too. Things were rusting a little bit. Alright, I'm in between paints drying on the rims, and I am giving the Jeep a oil bath. I've chosen to do this due to the patina that I have. Can't really wax that real easily, and also paying traditional roots to the British soldiers during World War II. This is what they did to their Jeeps. Just took motor oil and coated them in that to prevent rust and try to slow that down. So I like that aspect of that as well. So this is what we're doing. Alright, we have flipped them over and we're ready to hit the outer surfaces. So I gotta hit the lower lip there after I flip them over. You can see, whoops, you can see that didn't quite get under there all the way. So we'll give that a shot too while we're on this side. But otherwise looks pretty good. So we'll get rocking here and try to get this project done here shortly. Awesome. Alright, there is coating number 1, and it's turning into a bit of a comedy show because my feet are sticking to the newspaper at this point, making a heck of a mess. So I'll just power on through it, I guess, at this point. But if anybody has any other surfaces they use, maybe some sort of plastic tarp or something, or one of those drop cloths, that probably would have been a better choice. Let me know for next time. So, but pretty entertaining and pretty hilarious, but also a little frustrating because my feet are sticking to it. So, but that's all good. We're going to carry on and finish up here in a little bit. I will probably have to get another can of paint though. I am blasting through this pretty fast, so we'll check in a little bit. All right, back from Walmart and doing a couple other things, and actually Walmart did not have any more of the color I needed, so I had to sneak over to Home Depot and they had a bunch of stuff. So got a couple more cans and we're all set. Got some for backup, so we are ready to roll. So carry on and finish this up. All right. All right, here is the pretty much finished product, I think. I have 3 coats on the outer sides here at this point, and it's looking pretty sweet. We will certainly see how things look in the morning, and touch things up as we see fit here, as far as spot shots, if you will. So, but I think overall, pretty pleased with how they turned out. Gonna look pretty sweet on this gal once we get the tires on and get everything ready to roll. So, looking forward to that. All right, that is it, I think. So we're gonna let everything dry overnight and see how things look in the morning and touch things up as needed. But we are pretty much a done deal at this point. So it's a really cool project, and I had a lot of fun doing it for sure. And hope you guys enjoyed watching along as well. And thanks for watching. Drive them Jeeps.